Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a heatsink. So if you wanted to just clean out the thermal paste and replace it with new stuff, change out the heatsink to maybe a water-cooled system, I'm just showing you in this video on how to remove a stock Intel heatsink. So the first thing you want to do is remove that power cord. And these actually turn all the way to the left to unlock. So rotate all of them to the left. And yeah, see where the error is? You actually push that forward and that unlocks. And then you just kind of pull up once you got them all unlocked. And then you, in theory, you should be able to just pop it right off. And then you have it. So now you're going to want to go ahead and clean that off. And then reapply thermal paste if you're just doing a heatsink swap or maybe a processor swap. To put this heatsink back on, it's very easy. You just literally line up the holes again. And sometimes you actually want to pick up the motherboard because you want to make sure that the pins get all in there. And you actually want to rotate these backwards where you turned them. So you actually want to do that first. And then as you push them down, you can see they'll get locked back into place. Just like so. And you want to make sure that they're actually, the black pin is actually getting through on all four sides. And now you can go ahead and reconnect your fan power, and then you can place the motherboard back in your case.